Very good morning, dear students of Standard 5th. Here I am providing you the question answers of lesson number 6, that is rules for everyone. You have to watch the video, you have to write each and every question answer from this video. See, this is the name of the chapter from your EVS 1 textbook, Rules for Everyone. Here is the first question from your textbook as well as extra fill in the blanks from a textbook itself. So, our first question is what? Fill in the blanks. Our society works according to certain, answer will be rules. The Constitution of Independent India has abolished untouchability. Wrong customs and tradition cause the neglect of some section of society. So the answer will be neglect. Neglect. Disobeying. Disobeying. Disobeying the rules lead to punishment. We cannot change the law of nature. So the answer is nature. 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 These are some of the extra fill in the blanks. You have to write it down in your book. See, these are extra fill in the blanks which can come in your paper. So even this you have to copy it down in your notebook. That is, I am providing you the answer. The rules are meant for everybody. The rules are meant for common goods. Option is given over there like prosperity, reduction of poverty and common goods. So you have to write common goods. Equality is a basis of rules. The nature law are constant and fixed. The minimum age for the right to vote was 21 years prior to 1988. Okay, so this fill in the blanks you have to write it down. Now come to question answer. Answer in one sentence. Each and every answer you have to write it down. See, your first question, what are rules made? So the answer is, rules are made to specify duties and responsibility of everyone. Second, which value has been a part of your social life since ancient time? So the answer is, the value of non-violence and peace has been a part of our social life since ancient time. यह आंसर इन वन वर्ड में भी आ सकता है, तो आपको लिखना क्या है? द वैल्यू ऑफ नॉन वायलेंस एंड पीस. क्लियर? what are the big obstacle in our society? So the answer is, poverty and lack of education are the big obstacle in our society. See, so write it down. Now come to next question. Why do we follow traffic rule? So the answer is, we follow traffic rule so that the traffic moves smoothly. We follow traffic rule so that the traffic moves smoothly. Next, state one law of nature. So the answer is, the regular rising and setting of sun is one of the law of nature. This every question answer you have to note down in your notebook. Why do we need to change the law? We need to change the law to meet the needs of changing circumstances. Which law changed after India gained independence? The law regarding civics life changed after India became independence. Name one good custom. Maintaining the balance of nature is one of our good customs. Name one undesirable social custom. Caste discrimination is one of our undesirable social customs. Name some of our social issues. Illiteracy, sway of supervision, child marriage and child labor are some of our social issues. Clear? Now come to this question. Even you have to write down this question in your notebook. Answer in brief 2 to 3 lines. Which unjust custom has been banned by a law? So the answer is the unjust custom of sati and child marriage has been banned by law. Second point, the custom of asking for dowry has been banned by law. Third point, the use of magic for cheating people has been banned in Maharashtra. Next question, why do we need to make law for protection of our environment? So the answer is we need to make a law for the protection of environment because, first point, most of our needs are fulfilled by nature. There are needs to conserve natural resource as the same should available in enough quantity for our future generation. So जितना मैंने दिया है ये सारे के सारे नोट्स आपके नोटबुक में लिखना है. Clear students? Now here are some give reason. First one, equality is the basis of rule. So you have to write in point wise. Rules are meant for everyone and apply equally to all. Second point, no one is above the rule as there is no discrimination in application of rule. Third point, there is no discrimination in punishment for breaking the rule. In this sense, equality is the basis of rule. Next question, the law of nature are constant and fixed. So the answer is natural occurrence like sunrise and sunset take place without change according to the law of nature. We cannot change the rule of nature. The law of nature never become outdated. In this sense, the law of nature are constant and fixed. Come to third question. The rules of a society are not constant and fixed. So the answer is the first point. We make as well as change the rule of society. The rule of society tend to become outdated. There is a constant need to update the rule of society to meet the needs of changing circumstances. So students, these are the notes. You have to write it down. I have made this video because many of the students are not getting PDF file in WhatsApp group or they are missing the PDF. So for that reason this video is given to you. You can watch the video anytime, anywhere to complete your books. Clear? So till then, thank you. Have a great day.